Hi, this is John with WTI. And as I have a thick hair that it's really hard to comb or to put it into the right places, this is where this LIGAO Leche hair pomade comes into place. And let me tell you some of the things that I like the most about this hair pomade. First of all, it's about the smell. It has like this creamy feeling, it pretty much smells like an ice cream that it just gives you this soothing feeling that smells great. I already had compliments over it. And when I was a kid, I used to like this. I still like it till this day. And it's all about going really easy on your hair because it's not gonna let it just strict after a while. It's really easy to take in and take it off with the normal shampoo. And at the same time, it's gonna give you the nice hold to your hair, nice shine to your hair. That is pretty much so effective to any circumstances that you wanna go out, you want to style your hair. Not gonna be so hard. It's not gonna leave any residue that maybe is gonna leave like white spots or anything like it. This is pretty much a great experience. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.